day, good night, everybody. So today we're looking at matrices. That's the topic that we're dealing with today. All right, and matrices is as I said, the first topic that deals with fourth form. So let's look at a few things, some terminologies. Good. It says a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. The numbers or functions are called elements or the entries of a matrix. All right. So a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. That's what it is. The second thing we need to know is the order of a matrix. And it says if a matrix has m rows and n columns, then it is written as m by n. If the matrix has an order of m by n, then it has an mn elements, right? So let's put numbers to these things. So if I have one row and two columns, then the order will be 1 by 2, okay? Which means that it will have two elements. If it has two rows and two columns, then it's going to be known as a 2 by 2 matrix. That's the order. And so 2 times 2 is 4. So it will have 4 elements. Okay? So let's say, for example, it has 3 rows and 2 columns. So it's going to be called a 3 by 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. So it will have 6 elements. So that is just telling you that the order of matrix is telling you how many rows and how many columns it has. And that will determine how many digits or functions are within that matrix. Okay? In general, it says the matrix name will always have a capital, well, always have a big letter. In this case, they're using A. A subscript m times n matrix has the following rectangular array: A1, 1, A2, 1, 2, A1, 3 until it becomes A1n, meaning n columns, and then A21, A22, A23 until it has A2n, where n of course are the columns. Then it has a M1. The M is talking about the number of rows. A M2, a M3, and so on. So this is the order is M by N. Now the first digit refers to the number of the number of the row, and the second digit refers to the number of the column. All right. So it isn't A11, it's A11, meaning first row, first column. A12, meaning the element in the first row, second column. A13, meaning the first row and third column. Okay? I hope you are getting it. We will have more details on this as we go along. It says, we shall consider only those matrices whose elements are real or functions taking real values. Okay? Don't worry about this notation here for now. Okay, types